I spent too many years being judgmental of everybody from the tech working next to me to the owner, and a lot of it was duly founded. It was right. It was there's truth to it. But I probably could have done so much better to try and lift everybody up instead of just trying to sit there and go, "Yep, looks like a duck, quacks like a duck. It's another duck." There's okay, cool. But how do I make it better? And that's what we're all about. And I appreciate you. You're an excellent example of somebody that's grinding through and putting up some sacrifice to be that change. And I appreciate you. And like I say again, this is going to be a revolving thing of repeat guests because there's people that we align with that do really well, and we need to keep sharing that. And keep us all informed, Cody, as you progress and get a tech and the hoist and the whole thing.